Duda is a powerful website builder that allows users to create professional, responsive websites quickly. Here's how to use it. Sign up and log in. Visit duda.co and sign up for an account. Log in to access the Duda dashboard. Choose a template. In the dashboard, click Create New Site. Browse Duda's library of pre-designed, responsive templates and select one that suits your project. Templates can be customized for any industry or purpose. Customize your website. Duda's editor features a drag-and-drop interface. Use the tools on the left sidebar to add elements like text, images, buttons, and widgets to your site. Modify sections by clicking on them to access settings for layout, colors, fonts, and backgrounds. The platform also allows for advanced customization, such as editing the HTML and CSS if needed. Optimize for mobile. Duda automatically creates responsive designs, but you can fine-tune the look for desktop, tablet, and mobile views using the responsive editor. Add features. Enhance your site with features like blogs, e-commerce, forms, or analytics by adding widgets from the editor. Preview and publish. Preview your site to ensure everything looks great. Click Publish to make your website live.